Here's a quick video showing how I wired the 4-wire transmit relay inside of this 2683 call director. So you can see if I press the talk button on the handset, the relay engages. And I also wired this lamp on the top that will illuminate whenever the relay is transmitting. You can also press this button here to transmit, and that is for headset use, so you won't need to press the button on the handset. And basically what I did, first off, for the key, in order to get the lamp as well as the button to actually activate the relay, I had to remove brown black brown wires that go to the actual plug for the grounding from it was terminal 30 over here somewhere, and also 49, and then I wired them onto terminals 1 and 2, which terminals 1 and 2 have blue yellow blue wires going to plug 1, and they also have the 2 black wires for the push to talk button. So basically blue yellow blue short together inside of the cord, and I'll show you the punch down block next. And then for the lamp, there is, what were they? Green, black, slate, black slate wires. So they were on terminals 47 and 48. And I removed them. I put one wire here on terminal 2, and the other wire is on ground over here on terminal 8, I think. And so whenever the relay is activated, the lamp gets power. Then I'm planning on having this phone control a CB radio, so I also had to locate extra wires inside of the relay to engage the talk button on the CB radio. And those wires that I found are red, orange, and also blue, yellow. These 2 wires short together when the relay is activated, and then I connected them onto yellow, orange, yellow pair in the first plug. So now we'll go down here to the 66 block I have everything wired to. Most of it is wired just as you would normally have it, but there are a few exceptions. So I have 20 volt DC power for the relay right here on this last row. So this black wire has power coming in. Then the blue wire goes up to blue, blue yellow. So you can see blue yellow and blue yellow. Then the return feed, yellow blue, once the button is pressed, goes to slate white. Basically how they wired it is slate white was a spare because you only need 1 ground coming from the KSU in order to run the line cards. So slate white is connected to the negative wire currently of the relay. It doesn't really matter as long as it's powered, the relay will work, and it has to be a direct current voltage. Then the other wire, you need to just have it grounded. So I did the positive wire coming from the 20 volt power, and then it goes to orange white up here, which is also connected to the key system. So how it's wired is if you hang up the handset, the relay will not activate, and when you lift it, then it will. So hopefully this video is just a good reference for my future use. Also for 4-wire transmitting, for the actual, basically it switches the microphone or transmitter contacts from either the handset or headset onto yellow, brown, brown, yellow, and they're on this terminal board here on the back of the keypad, and those are also on the first plug, so I have them right here. I'll do another update video once I get it connected into my CB radio.